Good morning, friends. Welcome to Examiner 365. Today, 2nd January 2022. In this video, we will discuss about the current affairs of this day. Betty White passed away recently. She was an actress. She was an American actress and a comedian. Name the country that has banned the coal exports in January on domestic supply worries. Answer is Indonesia. Indonesia is the world's biggest exporter of thermocoal, and its main customers are India, China, Japan, and South Korea. It has banned coal exports in January due to the concerns over low supplies for domestic power plants. This is Indonesia. It is world's largest island country. The capital is Jakarta. Currency of Indonesia is Indonesian rupiah, and the president is Joko Widodo. Under which scheme the Prime Minister has released 2,900 crore to farmers recently. The answer is PM Kisan scheme. PM Kisan scheme or Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme was announced in February 2019 budget. Under this scheme, a financial benefit of Rs 6,000 per year is provided to the eligible farmer families, payable in 3 equal installments of Rs 2,000. The money is transferred directly to the bank account of the beneficiaries. Who is the Union Agriculture Minister? Narendra Singh Tomar. Moving to the next question. Which insurance company did the IRDAI direct to withdraw the product offering life insurance benefits in violation of regulatory norms? Go Digit General Insurance. IRDAI, Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, is a regulatory body under the Ministry of Finance. It is tasked with regulating and licensing the insurance and reinsurance industries in India. It is formed under Insurance Regulatory and Development Act 1999. Headquarters is in Telangana, and the chairperson is Subhash Chandra Puntia. In which city did the memorial for journalists who died of COVID-19 has come up? Noida. Many journalists across the country lost their lives in the line of duty during the coronavirus pandemic. Hope this pandemic will end soon so everyone can live happily. Which state has launched free mobile tablet scheme for students? The answer is Uttarakhand. In this scheme, 12,000 rupees was given by the direct benefit transfer for buying mobile tablets to class 10 and 12 students of state government schools. This is Uttarakhand. The summer capital of Uttarakhand is Bharadwaj and the winter capital is Dehradun. Uttarakhand is also called as Devbhoomi due to its religious significance. The Chief Minister is Pushkar Singh Dhami and the Governor is Gurmeet Singh. Jim Corbett National Park, the first national park in India, is situated in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhand is also known for the natural environment of Himalayas. Name the island in Australia that will rename as Queen Elizabeth II Island. The answer is Aspen Island. It is situated in Canberra's Lake Blue Griffin. It's a man-made island. This is Queen Elizabeth II. This is Aspen Island. The capital of Australia, Canberra. The PM is Scott Morrison, and the currency is Australian dollar. Sam Jones passed away recently. He was associated with which sports? The answer is basketball. He was the winner of 10 NBA titles. NBA, National Basketball Association. Headquarters is in New York and the president is Amy Brooks. Who will be the new MD and CEO of Punjab National Bank? Atul Kumar Goyal. He was the CEO of UCO Bank. He will replace SS Mallikarjuna Rao with an effect on 1st February 2022. PNB was founded on 19th May 1894. Headquarters is in New Delhi. Recently, PNB launched online life certificate submission for state and central pensioners so that they can produce online life certificate submission through video call. Who has sworn in as New York City Mayor? Eric Adams. He is city's second black mayor. This is Eric Adams. New York City is world's most financially powerful city and world's leading financial center also. UN headquarters is situated in New York. There are two stock exchanges in New York, New York Stock Exchange and Nasdaq Exchange. New York City is most populous city in USA. Thanks for watching the video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and also share the video with your friends. See you all. Bye.